Hello, my name is Trey Hawkins, and today we're going to be going over the brachial plexus. I'm going to draw a very simplified version of it. So to start off, we're going to look here at the top of the page. We're going to see RTDCB. This will be our sections of the brachial plexus. We have the roots, the trunks, the divisions, the cords, and the branches. There's many ways to remember this, but I always fall back on remember to drink cold beer. Next, we'll look at the right side of the page. We have marmu. This will be our nerves that the brachial plexus ultimately connects to. So we see M. This stands for musculocutaneous. A, axillary. R, radial. And then the second M is for median. And then finally, the U is for ulnar. So let's go ahead and start drawing this. We're going to start off by combining C5 and C6. And I will say there are multiple ways to draw this, but I found this is what works best for me. So we combine C5, C6, C7 by itself, C8 and T1. Next, we're going to look at the trunks. So C5 and C6 combine to form our upper trunk. C7 flows into our middle trunk. And then C8 and T1 combine to form our lower trunk. Now we'll see each trunk split off into two divisions. So we have two here, and finally two here. So we'll go back up here to the top. We have an anterior division, posterior division. Also here we have an anterior division and posterior division. And then finally we're going to mix it up in this last one and put posterior on top and anterior on bottom. Finally, we have the chords. Up top, we'll have the lateral chord. So to form the lateral chord, we're going to combine the anterior division of the upper trunk and the anterior division of the middle trunk. Like I said, that will form the lateral chord. Next, we're going to take all three posterior divisions. One here, one here, one here. This is ultimately going to lead to the radial and axillary nerves, and this will be our posterior chord. Then finally, we have the medial chord, formed from the anterior division of the lower trunk. And then finally, we have sections from the medial chord and lateral chord combining to connect to the median nerve.